One of the new Elgato releases you might not have heard of is the Elgato HDMI cable. Truly, it's just an HDMI cable. But yeah, this one can do 8K, so that's quite good. I'm gonna unpack it and see how the cable looks like itself. Seems to be neatly packed into this box. I like this kind of cloth material that they wrapped around it, which makes it very sturdy, and if you take it somewhere, it doesn't get strangled that quickly because of this material. The thing is though, it makes the cable a little bit thicker, so it's a pretty thick cable, but it does feel like pretty good quality. It's gonna make it easier with cable management as well, because you're gonna recognize the cable easier, so that's nice. This is meal to meal, so both type A HDMI. The cable is 2 meters long or 6.5 feet for the American measurements, which I think is long enough for your console to attach to your TV or your computer to attach to your monitors. I mean, it's just an HDMI cable, but it's a pretty fancy one, I have to say. I like this one.